Once again, good afternoon. Today, 3rd August 2026, and right now time is 12:55 p.m. Again, I am in Purbo Singichora under Tulashikar Agri subdivision, and this is also MICMP plot, and this plot belongs to Jorna Deborma of Purbo Singichora, and she is also Krishi Shoki under natural farming. And let me know from her that how much area she is saving and what variety she has sown under this MICMP program. Okay, by Saga in Nini Ozaga total koi kanito? Pone dui kani haitong. Jotana muti line kan borka? Okay, tin kani ki pura de bor paik peka? Te busu kani rok bor jangat baki tong hala. Nganin mo bay mo pan tam jat mo mai saha lom no abon roki normally mai chana bagi dekhai na phalna bagi dekhai nganin na tin kane ni pura sara bosor kereng na bole phal de man ke ase phalna to phalma no nganar tonita mai ka cham do thogo hinai hangkai neng jaga ni krishi shoki rokhai boja krishok busuk manla nong ni natural farming kaine rok Purbo Singichora o kojon rok tong Nino jaga BRC de tong nong krishi shoki ne mane kon nanta BRC Bio Research Center karina u je musuk sati rok khai mani kai mo bade te rubber bagan rok de tong baini musuk kani rok tongla soi kani rubber buti je man tong tabu man tong oh sabji rok khai sabji no cha rok khai pukor bule tong musuk koi kani rong no da kon kai nong ni angko natural farming ni krishok rok kai tam sabji rok tak kono khai de tong natural farming o jeta prakriti chaso khai mani kono khai de tong TRL ni tam sabji rok dekhai brok tam rok khaila traps program de tong nong jaga traps ni kai tam rok khaila jemon ayang seng asram bari nuk mani oh tabo hangkai bai neng ngoja tamo chini je huk bar khainer na tamo kobuk na musung nung to jemon line swing borkha norok ni jaga line swing je khai mani muti khai line khai mai bormani abode beshi kaham na bo hajira rokai busuk choli no jaga bari rong na hajira rokai chala rokai gai bobo sagari ko sei mai line kai borma de mai pholon beshi ma line khano kaham jaga gai chung ang mane je line borma ni chung mai mani tong hola aji ba asu manuta gai porishrom gai upor sra khai puru rogo mane subida nguta tangpuru rogo na tangpuru rogo dakon hali bokom nanguna dakon hambai so it's already raining. Rain has started. And this plot belongs to Jorna Deborma, and she is saving altogether 3 kani plot. And the variety is just like Bishwajit Munda. She is also sown Shahalam variety. I think this variety arrived from our nearest country, Bangladesh, maybe 15-20 years before. So it's already raining. So I thanks my all cultivator involved under this MICMP program. And my thanks goes to our senior brother, Ratan Deborma, circle in charge. She convinced all my farmers to grow this MICMP program. This plot belongs to Jorna Deborma, and this plot belongs to Ogur Deborma of Purbo Singichora. So she is Jorna Deborma, and she is also one of our Krishi Shoki, and she is looking after natural farming as well as traps. So jotono na hambai tini ekdom dibor jarao na tabuk satung gawo wati bo phai tongo abono kaisa kok tongo satung tuti wati wo mukra kajak layo ni kaisa kok samni tini akong na kaisa mutung ha kai jotono na hambai jano goi sing daroton na wate sa hambai jano goi sing kaisa sa video ti sama jana mathakka hambai jotono